That's just stuff in the trunk.
Alright.
Got him out of focus, it looks sick.
I'll keep you out of focus. Okay, so we're just gonna pick up the car now. Reed?
It's good.
It's good.
Just focus on me. There we go.
There we go, hey? Important parts.
It's got a... What are you saying, Cha? How are you finding it?
Dude, I like the car so far. We picked it up, you know, and we're just driving, heading over to get some food because we are famished.
This might be a cop, I better not tell.
We made it to the Airbnb finally.
These are good hosting. Look, they put grass seeds there.
The real
like
ones.
They're actually caring about.
Okay, we're gonna Canmore. We're gonna continue doing the bill shopping.
Like, what's the jacks, buddy?
So over here, we're in the great town of Canmore. And in this town you have many tourist attractions. So if we pan over this way, you're gonna see we have this lovely marshland and some mountains in the background. And then we go back down, we have some more marshland. But, and here, follow me along. So, we're in Canmore. And I don't know what this boardwalk is called. We got some bubble tea. Same place we got it from last year. I got some ice blended thing. It's pretty good. Very, very nice and refreshing in this boiling weather. Fareed got
Brain freeze.
he got a brain freeze. So there's that. Oh, my bad. My bad. Thank you, Fareed, for getting rid of all these disgusting bugs on here. We just stopped on our way. You can see here the views. It's the mountains. But we have, it is not. Let's get rid of this. So yeah, we're gonna get there 7:59. I just realized I did not tell you guys what hike we're doing. So we are doing the Wasootch Ridge. We're doing the Wasootch Ridge hike. It's 13 kilometers, 1,000 meters of elevation gain, and you're kind of walking on a ridge the whole time, which is pretty cool. Yo, this kind of reminds me of Jasper, eh?
It does, yeah.
It's, oh, you know why? Because of the... So you want to stop here? Let's stop here.
Right over here?
Might as well.
Yeah, why not?
Take a little detour. Okay, so we've gone up 53 meters in about 5.5 minutes.
Only one way to go.
Ain't that the truth? Okay, we are incredibly warm.
As you can see, well, you might not be able to see, but if you look very closely over there, look really closely, you can see a mountain. And if you look a little bit to the left, see another mountain. Isn't that crazy?
Okay, we're at the peak number 2. It's a bit of a false peak, but we're here. I'm getting a bit tired, but we've done, since the last check-in, 4.24 kilometers total. Oh, I see you're acting up. 529 meters of elevation gain, so it's pretty much now just like a ridge walk, hopefully. About over 400 meters for the next 7 kilometers or so. But this is the view. Got blown out, but that's it. We're hiking. It's nice up here.
A beautiful breeze. Some trail mix. Nature. Got a chipmunk that you guys will see. But yeah. So, we're not gonna go to the end because we have a more intense hike tomorrow. It's not because we're giving up. We would never give up. But according to some regulars, past the third peak, which we're at right now, doesn't get very much more exciting. So we're gonna head back, and then we'll see what we do from there. Yeah, this is rather narrow.
Leave from the vine. I know I'm slowing you down, bro, but I'm not taking any.
Trust, I'm fine with that. Oh man. Oh, it was Paget. That's what it was called. Oh, look at that. You want to park any closer? Anyways. Car, sweet car. That's getting put to use.
It's good.
It's good. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna eat. Not now. We'll like clean up and then eat.
Clean up, then cook, then eat.
Yes, clean up, then cook. That yes, we need to cook before eating. But yeah, so I'll see y'all whenever. I don't know. Very tired. Well, we're gonna hit the hay soon, just because we're kind of tired and we gotta wake up a bit early tomorrow to do one of two hikes. Not sure which one yet, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Bro's antisocial today.
Oh, could you even see me?
Yes.
Pan it back.
Bro, what?
Pan it back. I didn't think I was visible. Alright, so good morning, y'all. We have a bit of a change of plans. We're not gonna do a sunrise hike. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head up to Bow Lake. It's about an hour and 15 away from where we're at. We're gonna just peep the sunrise there. And then from there we'll go the Emerald Lake Basin Trail, I think it's called, or Emerald Basin Trail, something like that. But yeah, that way we kind of get the best of both worlds. Hit two things in Yoho National Park today. Okay, so we're not where we're at, where we want to be right now, but there's this view behind me that I'll pan, and you guys will be able to see. It's kind of chilly actually, but it's called Hector Lake Viewpoint, and we can actually see, and I'm going to show you guys this later, but this mountain over there, the sunlight is just starting to hit it a little bit. It's very faint, but the sunlight is hitting it. Okay, so we finally made it to Bow Lake, and look at this. It's a beauty. Yeah, we're headed to the actual hike now. Just driving. We're in BC, which is pretty nice. This is where we were originally going to stay in your Golden, but just because of weather and that kind of stuff, we decided to stay in Dead Man's Flats instead. Yeah, we've got about 22 minutes to get there, about 15, 20 kilometers. So yeah, we'll see y'all at the trailhead. Just a little detour here. Look at this. Just made it to Emerald Lake finally. We're gonna go see the lake for a bit before we head on to the actual hike and go to the basin. So onwards we go. And a thing of beauty it is. Straight at the camera.
Look at this. It's beautiful. You hear the birds? Maybe not.
Too early for this, man.
Nah, it's never too early. That's what we're doing. That's where we're going. According to All Trails, there was a recent avalanche here. So, oh wait, let's fix this. As y'all can see, we finally made it. It is beautiful. It's beautiful. The stream is not really a stream, it's more of like a mini river coming off the glacier falls. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. All the way. So it's coming from all the way over there. And it goes down, 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 down all the way here. Alright, so we finished, we reached the end of the basin. We're heading back now. Got about an hour and a half, 2 hour hike back, but it was beautiful. But I think I'll let Fareed take it from here.
Yeah, it was a dope hike. Adir and Shams would testify that this place gives Inkpot's vibes, but I wouldn't say it's as good, but it was very rewarding. It wasn't too difficult. It was about 5 kilometers one way, 5 kilometers back, 200 meters elevation around. It wasn't too bad. It was a good introductory hike, definitely easier than yesterday. But yeah, you know, just gonna keep grinding, keep getting better.
We made it. Finally. So let's put these down. We got about, I don't know, I think an hour and a half drive back. But yeah, anyways, let's do it. Alright, after a much well-deserved disgusting nap in the car, we finally made it back. Thank you, Fareed, for driving us back. I don't know what's gonna happen from here, but we'll see. We're exhausted, we're dusted. We are done for the day today. Fareed cleaned up the kitchen real good. Used up all 10 mugs of tea.
That's right.
To make tea. But yes, so we're done for today. Tomorrow we got a nice hike planned. Black Prince Lake, Black Lake Prince something. It's any one combination of those 3 words. But you good?
Yeah.
But yeah, anyways, so we'll see y'all tomorrow. We're heading out on the hike. Black Prince Lake. Prime grizzly bear territory. We're the only ones here. So we're just gonna get our stuff and then we'll get ready and hit the trail. I think it's 10 kilometers out and back, 900, 800 meters of elevation gain. Something like that, I don't know, we'll check All Trails. But yeah, got bear spray, bug spray, whatever kind of spray you want, we got it. Ready to go. We got some snacks too, because we'd be getting hungry. We came across a little stream crossing here. How many kilometers in? 1.74 kilometers in. This is nice though. Into a little clearing.
Stay still.
Yeah, so we are now entering prime grizzly bear territory, according to All Trails and some reviewers there. But this is the first lake, and I'll zoom in. It's very calm, which is beautiful. We're gonna head there.
This way?
Yeah, left. Yeah, it's a nice view. Got a little creek running down the other side of this Actually, let me show y'all. Over there. It's a bit more than a creek, it's a waterfall. Okay. Sir, we're even closer to the waterfall right now. Let me just pan and I'll show y'all through these trees.
No, let's just wait up there until all the snow melts.
Right? There's a bug on my hand. It's gone.
We're about 200 meters up from wherever the original lake was, I'm pretty sure. 250 meters. Behind me is the Mount Sprite waterfall.
Breathing heavy. We made it to the Alpine Meadow. This is stop 1 of 2 on our final journey to the Black Prince Lake. I'm hoping this is our final stop, but you know, we like to stop and take photos. But yeah, this is the Alpine Meadow. Pretty meadowy in the Alpines. How many degrees do you think this incline is? Like 30?
I'd say
30, eh? Yeah, I believe it. Okay, it's windy up here, but down there, that's Black Prince Lake. It's still frozen just because of how high up you are, but where we are, I think that's Farid down there. Is that you, Farid?
I hope so.
Yeah, that's him. No bear sightings so far, but we don't want to push our luck. Okay, so we're heading back. The main ending of this hike is all rock, as you can see, so it's not very comfortable to sit on. Got a little friend.
Let's just show you the way back.
Y'all, 7 grueling hours later and 13.3 kilometers. Look at this. I don't know if y'all can see this. But we finally made it back. We were tired. So, I don't know what we're going to do. We're going to drive back, obviously. Look at me. I'm over it. Well, until tomorrow anyways. But yeah, okay, anyways. Let's go back home. Oh, there's a spider up here. Let's go back home. And then we'll see what happens from there. Okay, so I know I said I'd see y'all back at the house, but we just saw our first grizzly bear. So it turns out they're not a myth. They do actually exist. So...
You include that.
Dude, I just happened at the same time. I didn't do it on purpose or anything.
Bro loves himself.
I'm just a sleepy guy. Don't look at me. Yeah, that's it. Don't look at me. So we're gonna go to bed now. To nobody's surprise, we have another hike tomorrow. Alright, good morning all. Another hike, another day, to nobody's surprise. We're heading out to Chefrin Lake. It's about an hour and a half north of where we're at. But yeah, so we'll see y'all there. We found us a black bear on our way. 2 bears in 2 days, that's what I call good luck. Hey y'all, so I lied earlier. We're not gonna do Chefrin Lake today. Well, we wanted to, but we go and it's closed. And we had no reception or anything, so we didn't know what else to do. So we're perusing down the highway and we found Helen Lake. So it's 12 kilometers out and back, 455 meters of elevation gain. It's not too shabby, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. .72 kilometers into our hike with no map. So I think we need just under 2 or just over 2 kilometers to get to Lake Helen. And there's the lake. Why is it not blue? I only want blue lakes. It's really bright up here, but the weather's phenomenal, minus the brightness. It's nice. There's a nice breeze. Beautiful blue skies. Like, let me show you all this. Then we got Fareed there. He's trying to catch the local groundhog, or whatever it is. But yeah, we're gonna head back soon. 6.3-ish kilometers back both ways. So, but with only 450 meters of elevation gain, honestly, it doesn't feel like all that hard of a hike. But yeah, it's time to head back. Alrighty, we finally made it back. That Loki, that took a lot longer than we expected. Hey Fareed?
Yeah, it was a bit tiring.
A bit tiring, and today was supposed to be an easy hike. But it's okay, we live and learn. Anyways, time to go back to the crib and eat and drink water. It's 8:10 p.m., which means it's time for us to go to bed. We got a nice hike tomorrow. We're gonna summit Paget Peak. Fingers crossed.
Summit?
We
Blood said summit? Where? Summit? Nah. I think I misheard.
we're not summiting anything.
We're not summoning anything, I forbid it.
But yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Alright, morning all. We have another beautiful day ahead of us with another allegedly beautiful hike. We are going to be doing Paget Peak. I think I mentioned that last night. It is now 6:38 a.m. So it's not too early. But yeah, let's hit the road. Alright, 1.5 kilometers later, here we are. We got 2.2k just to get to the lookout, and then we'll from there we'll chill, and then we'll take a gander at the peak. And there's the Paget fire lookout. I think this is one of the first and the oldest fire lookouts in the Rockies, in the Canadian Rockies. Here it is. Only people here. Breathing heavy. There it is. All trails. Right now we are at a 57, 53, 57% grade. Just to put it into perspective how nasty this incline is. That's where we're down there. I'm up here. If I'm being honest with y'all, I don't think I'm gonna continue up. We're gonna continue up. It's getting like pretty risky. This is we're not equipped for a scramble. Okay, and as much as I want to get up and take the photos and videos, this scramble's a lot worse than I thought it was. So I'm just sitting on like a little rock right now. Probably chill for a bit before I head down.
Yo, the reception's insane here.
Yeah, it's nice. So, we walk back in silence.
Yep.
Humbled by this mountain. Humbled by the scramble up Paget Peak. But, I'm gonna get it. One day, 5 years from now, 10 years, watch, I'm gonna get this mountain peak.
Giraffe, like what it would look like.
Freedom. Finally. Freedom.
Get me out of here.
Okay, time to go back home. Right, so we're eating good. We got some stir-fry rice. We got a salmon fillet, skin on, always. If you have a skin off, you're uncultured. With some chipotle mango seasoning and obviously some lemon. Fareed, how does it taste?
Very good. All the credit to Chef Tahur.
Listen, the teamwork makes the dream work. Phenomenal.
Bro, there was no teamwork. You cooked this. I mean, the only teamwork was between you and the microwave when you heated up the Costco fried rice.
I have to expose it for being Costco fried rice. Alrighty, morning y'all. No hike today. Maybe you're surprised, we're actually doing a road trip to Jasper instead. We got a couple different stops along the way, but you'll see them when we get there. Stop number 1, Paget Lake viewpoint. This is stop number 3, House Pass viewpoint. Stop number 4, stop number 5, I think. I don't know. I think it's been 3 hours of driving, but we just entered Jasper National Park a couple minutes ago. Let's keep going. It's Jasper. 4 or 5 hours of driving later. I'm probably not gonna bring my camera down, but because I want to deal with it. Looking at it around, it's pretty big. What I'll do is I'll probably film some stuff with my phone. If I do, I'll put them in there. If not, then we'll just cut to whatever we do next. Got from Souvenirs. Now we're gonna go probably eat pizza. Pizza. Buried. $14 for this. 14. And this is it. This is it for Banff. Banff 2023. Thanks for tagging along. Yeah. Until the next trip.